feel like today might be a bit of a long shot. Collect 3 ponies from Woorgreens Nature Reserve in the forest, take them to Stroud. Pony nuts to lure them, hurdles to block gaps, toe straps because I've got road tyres and Snow's Farm access is really bad. You'll see that later. Trailer, minty fresh. Finding ponies on 60 hectares, but without letting the cattle know I'm in the area. I've got a bucket of nuts. I'm a bit exposed, but have been told the ponies are actually just a little below the cattle. Huh. No cattle. The no fence collars show one of the cows at least is in the stock pen, eating all the nuts I left for the ponies. Yeah, they've massacred my trap. Oh, so greedy. Nope. Go on. Go on, fatty. Go on. Not going to plan, Scrib. Plan B. Oh, more cows. I don't want even more cows. I want ponies. No, you're not who I'm looking for. Last. Come on then. Only half a mile to go. Let's do it. Oh my word. 2 hours later. Come on. Long way to go. Oh, don't stop now. Oh, it's so much hard work. Yeah. Come on. Oh, you made me work for that. Couldn't film that bit. Trust me, it was a bit sketchy. Everyone, you got a long journey, guys. Just in time. Greedy bunch are here. See you, fellas. Don't think about it. So we've arrived at Snow's Farm. It's a bit of a tight exit, but fingers crossed. Give them time to spot the exit. Oh, one spotted it. Yeah. Oh, you can see how that could go wrong, can't you? Yay! This is Snow's Farm in the Cotswolds. I don't think you could get a better venue for a stressed pony. Enjoy that.